teaching you how to import more than one rig onto Blender. This is when you want to make a group GFX or you want to make something else that requires more characters. So once you open the rig, you want to get rid of this page, so just go to the corner and drag up to get rid of it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to press A to select everything, then you're going to go to File, then you're going to click on Append. From here, you want to make sure that you have a copy of the rig file. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your library, your file explorer, and you're going to head over to where you saved all your rigs. And in here, you're going to click on the rig file and you're going to duplicate it. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it, and now I have a copy of that file. Now when we exit and we refresh the page in Blender, you can see that the copy is here. So we're going to select on the copy, so double click, and you're going to see these folders. The folder that you want to click is Object, and what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you're in the vertical list or the horizontal list, and you're going to just click and select all of the objects in this folder. Then you're going to press Append, and then you're going to check the Move tool and you're just going to move it to the side. And as you can see, that is how you have another model rig to use. And you can also do the same thing with the woman rig. So again, select everything, go to File, Append, and again you're gonna have to make a copy of that rig, and then making another copy, refreshing the page, clicking on the copy file, double clicking it, and select on the object folder and select everything. Some of them might have a lot of things in them depending on what type of rig you're using. Like this one has a lot, so just press Shift and then select, hold Shift while you're selecting so that you can select all of them at the same time, and then press Append and then drag it to the other side. And I know you can see these rectangles here, but don't worry about that. You can just remove them because you won't really be using them. And that is basically how you make another copy of the same rig.